Best synthetic oil. Are you looking for the best synthetic oil? In this video we will look at some of the best synthetic oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Editor's Pick, Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil. Many automotive enthusiasts and high-performance vehicle owners trust well-known brands, but Royal Purple stands out for its exceptional reputation among drivers seeking top-tier engine protection. Their synthetic oils are not only API licensed but also meet the latest ILSAC engine oil specifications and carry the GM Dexos 1 approval for gasoline engines. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of modern vehicles while maintaining high performance standards. Royal Purple's advanced additive technology is engineered to reduce metal-to-metal contact, exceeding both GM Dexos 1 and ILSAC GF5 requirements. This formulation not only helps protect your engine components but also contributes to improved fuel economy and enhanced protection for sensitive exhaust emissions systems, keeping catalytic converters and other equipment functioning efficiently. The oil features patented anti-wear chemistry specifically designed to combat the harmful effects of exhaust gases, extending the life of your engine and its components. For vehicles running gasoline blended with ethanol, this product is particularly beneficial. Its specialized additives help prevent common issues such as white sludge formation and lubrication starvation, which can occur when higher concentrations of ethanol are present in fuel. While Royal Purple synthetic oil is priced higher than many standard options on the market, its popularity and positive reviews reflect its quality and performance. Users consistently report smoother engine operation, better long-term protection, and peace of mind knowing their engine is guarded by one of the most respected names in high-performance lubricants. For drivers who prioritize engine longevity, efficiency, and overall reliability, Royal Purple synthetic oil is a top choice that justifies its premium price. Number 2. Best for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Oil. For diesel engine owners seeking a reliable synthetic oil, Shell's Rotella line offers a top-tier solution. Designed to outperform conventional 15W30 oils, Rotella T6 can improve fuel efficiency by up to 2.8%, making it an appealing choice for drivers who want both performance and savings. Its triple protection plus formula blends fully synthetic base oils with advanced additives, delivering robust protection for engine components while supporting long engine life. This advanced formulation helps guard against common diesel engine challenges, including the harmful effects of soot, dirt, and other contaminants that can accumulate over time and compromise engine performance. One of the key strengths of Shell Rotella T6 is its exceptional shear stability, which allows the oil to resist viscosity breakdown even under demanding operating conditions. This ensures consistent oil pressure, enabling the engine to run smoothly and efficiently across a wide range of temperatures and loads. The oil's ability to maintain its protective qualities helps extend engine life and reduces wear on critical components, which is especially important for heavy-duty diesel applications. Shell specifically designs Rotella T6 for diesel-powered vehicles, making it ideal for commercial trucks, heavy-duty pickups, and other diesel equipment. It is particularly suited for colder climates, where maintaining proper oil flow is critical for engine startup and performance. With SAE 5W30 compatibility, this synthetic oil provides both versatility and high-performance protection for drivers who demand the best from their diesel engines. Overall, Shell Rotella T6 is a premium synthetic oil choice that combines efficiency, durability, and reliable engine protection for diesel enthusiasts. Number 3. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil is engineered with an advanced full synthetic formula to deliver long-lasting protection and reliability for modern engines. Its formulation is specifically designed to help prevent deposits, sludge buildup, and other common issues that can shorten engine life. By maintaining stable oil viscosity over time, this synthetic oil ensures your engine receives consistent lubrication under a wide range of operating conditions. The precise blend of high-performance additives provides excellent wear protection, helping safeguard critical engine components from friction and reducing overall engine stress. One of the standout features of Mobil 1 Extended Performance is its superior thermal and oxidation stability. This ensures the oil resists breakdown even under extreme temperatures, maintaining its protective properties during prolonged drives, high-load conditions, or stop-and-go traffic. The result is an engine that runs cleaner, more efficiently, and with less risk of premature wear. This oil's formulation also excels at controlling oil degradation, extending the intervals between oil changes while keeping your engine performing at its best. In addition to its durability at high temperatures, Mobil 1 Extended Performance synthetic oil is highly effective in low-temperature environments. Its excellent cold flow properties allow for quicker engine starts during cold weather, ensuring fast protection from the moment the engine is turned on. This contributes to reduced wear during startup and helps extend overall engine life. For drivers who demand consistent performance, superior protection, and long-lasting reliability, Mobil 1 Extended Performance synthetic oil is a premium choice that combines cutting-edge additive technology with trusted Mobil 1 quality. Number 4. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is crafted using the company's innovative Pure Plus gas-to-liquid technology, a patented process that transforms pure natural gas into a high-quality, full synthetic base oil. Unlike conventional oils derived from crude, this base oil is 99.5% pure, meaning it contains far fewer impurities and offers superior protection and performance. When paired with Pennzoil's advanced additive system, this formulation can help improve fuel efficiency, potentially giving drivers up to 550 extra miles per year compared to engines that run on oil contaminated with sludge and deposits. This oil is especially well suited for modern turbocharged engines, providing critical protection against low-speed pre-ignition (LSPI), a condition that can cause severe engine damage. Its fast-flowing properties and extremely cold temperatures ensure rapid lubrication during cold starts, reducing wear on moving engine components. In hot climates, the oil resists evaporation, maintaining its protective qualities and helping engines run cooler and cleaner under high thermal stress. Pennzoil Platinum also keeps pistons up to 50% cleaner than required by Sequence IIIH testing, one of the toughest industry benchmarks, helping maintain engine performance and longevity. It meets or exceeds a wide range of specifications and approvals, including FCA MS 6395, Chrysler MS 13340, Ford WSSM 2C946B1, GM Dexos 1 Gen 2, Honda/Acura HTO06, and Volvo recommendations. Additionally, it surpasses the requirements of API-SN+, API-SN-RC, ILSAC GF5, and ASIA A1/B1, making it compatible with a broad spectrum of modern vehicles. For drivers seeking exceptional cleanliness, protection, and efficiency, Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil delivers reliable, high-performance results in virtually any driving condition. Number 5. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. For engines with over 75,000 miles, Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil provides premium protection designed specifically for older vehicles. This advanced formula offers excellent overall lubrication and wear protection, helping engines perform more efficiently while reducing the buildup of sludge and deposits that can accumulate over time with conventional oils. By keeping critical engine components cleaner and better protected, this oil helps extend the life of higher mileage engines. Additionally, its formulation helps prevent leaks, a common concern for older engines where rubber seals may have hardened or shrunk. Mobil 1 achieves these benefits using a proprietary blend of high-performance synthetic base oils, engineered to provide long-lasting protection and reliability. The oil has a boosted level of seal conditioner to maintain flexibility in engine seals, reducing the likelihood of leaks and ensuring that oil stays where it belongs. This contributes to smoother engine operation, reduced wear on moving parts, and improved overall engine longevity. In terms of performance standards, Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic meets or exceeds the requirements of API-SN+, SN, SM, and SL, depending on the selected viscosity grade. Certain grades also meet or exceed ACA specifications, including A1/B1, A3/B3, and A5/B5, ensuring broad compatibility with a wide range of modern and older vehicles. Trusted for its proven track record, Mobil 1 high-mileage synthetic oil is ideal for drivers who want to protect their higher mileage engines, maintain optimal performance, and prevent common wear-related issues associated with aging vehicles. With this oil, your engine can continue running smoothly, efficiently, and reliably for many miles to come.